Hi, Bridges Connor, Get Organized with Bridges & Company. And today we're going to talk about over-the-door shoe bag. This holds 24 pairs of shoes and it is clear plastic. I love the clear plastic. I've used it with my clients, with little girls and Barbie dolls, little boys and trucks and stuffed animals. I even saw one client use it on the backside of her pantry with canned foods in it. So anyways, extremely versatile. Here I'm just showing you an example of, yes, you can put shoes in there. We've got belts, we've got jewelry. You can do any kind of accessories that you want, hair products, skin care, whatever the case may be. But the key is that it's clear and it's plastic. And I purchased it from Amazon. So this is a very attractive over-the-door shoe holder. If you know that it's designated strictly for shoes, then this is fine. With the cloth, this looks nice and it's functional, but if you want to use it for different functions or different uses, then I would definitely go with the clear plastic.